Good morning, my dear students. Class 5, Chapter 5, English. Our pumping stations की रीडिंग आज कराई जाएगी. Now starts. Put. Pumping station means heart के बारे में है ये. Put the palm of your right hand slightly on the left of your chest. You will feel a thumping inside. If you run or do exercise, you will feel a faster thumping. In the quietness of night, you can hear the sound of thumping even. This is the sound of the pumping blood by your heart. It contracts and expands to perform pumping. The heart pumps blood about 72 times per minute. The regular repeated pattern in the pumping of blood is called the rhythm of life. The blood reaches to every cell of the body through many tubes, broad and narrow. These tubes are called blood vessels. Blood vessels are of three types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries supplies the blood from the heart to various parts of the body. Veins receive the blood from all those body parts and bring it back to the heart. Capillaries are small, fine, and tiny vessels. Arteries and veins branch out into thinner and thinner tubes to form capillaries. Arteries lie a little deeper under the skin. They are not easily seen. Veins are located just below the skin and can easily be seen as greenish blue lines. Blood is a thick fluid. It consists of two parts: plasma and corpuscles. Corpuscles are of three types: red cells, white cells, and platelets. So the plasma is the fluid part of the blood. It has many different types of cells to perform different functions. It also helps in clotting of blood. There are billions of red blood cells in human body. Red blood cells carry oxygen. It has a red pigment called hemoglobin which absorbs oxygen. White blood cells insert and destroy the germs. There is one white blood cell for every 600 or 700 red blood cells. Blood platelets are much smaller than red blood cells. When a blood vessel is cut, blood platelets collect at the site of the injury and form a clot along with white blood cells and plasma. The clot stops the flow of blood, thus it saves the loss of blood. Heart is the center and controller of all the blood vessels. Our heart is located the chest cavity, located in the chest cavity slightly towards the left. The size of a person's heart is roughly the size of his fist. The heart is a muscular organ. It has 4 chambers in all. The blood which absorbs oxygen from the lungs comes to the left chambers. It is then supplied to all the organs of the body through arteries. The blood, after giving oxygen to the organs, comes back to the right chamber of the heart. It is again sent to the lungs to take oxygen. Thus, the main function of the heart is to pump the blood to and fro all parts of the body. If you close your fist, open it and then close it again, you can get a rough idea of the action of the heart. But if you open and close your fist at a rate of 1 every second, muscles of your hand will feel tired in a couple of minutes, but the heart contracts and expands at about 72 times a minute, more than once a second, and not tiring at all. Human heart is pear-shaped, red-brown in color and weight about 340 grams. It may be up to 15 centimeters long and at its widest point 10 centimeters across. The heart pumps out blood to arteries about 72 times per minute. The rhythmic contraction and expansion of heart is called heartbeat. The heartbeat are faster in children than the old. A newborn baby has a heartbeat about 140 and a 3 years old about 100 per minute. The heartbeat increases during exercise, exertion and excitement. Take a 50 centimeter long tube, fit it tightly at the end of a plastic funnel. Place the funnel on your chest above the heart. Put the open end of the tube in one of your ears. You will hear the thumping sound of the heart clearly and loudly. Count the heartbeats per minute. Walk fast for 5 minutes. Now count the heartbeats again. Does it number more? So the heart takes about 3/10 of a second to push blood into the arteries. Then it has a rest period of half a second. At sleep, the heart slows down to 55 beats per minute. A large percentage of blood capillaries are inactive in sleep, so the heart doesn't have to push blood through them. So the push of heart to send blood in the arteries is called blood pressure. If there is no pressure, blood cannot be flown up to the capillaries. Then you will feel your baby body inactive and short of energy. The push or wave of blood makes the artery which is already full of blood to expand in order to receive and the blood pumped into it. Now each time this happens, we feel a throb in every artery. The expansion of an artery following each heartbeat is called pulse. To the places where an artery is near the skin, we can feel the pulse. To the wrist, temple and ankle are such places. It is convenient to note the pulse rate of the artery in the wrist area. The pulse is same as heartbeat, 72 per minute in a normal person. Doctors count the pulse rate at the wrist or at the heart using a stethoscope to find out some diseases. In all cases of infections of germs, the heart tends to beat faster, thus increasing the pulse rate and temperature. He can also find out whether the flow of blood is normal in a particular part or not. The rhythmic beat of the heart sends blood to every cell of the body. This blood carries oxygen to each cell and carries carbon dioxide back to the lungs to exhale. It transports digested food from the intestines first to the liver and then to every cell of the body. It protects our body from several germs. Blood platelets help in blood clotting and thus save from loss of blood and help in the healing of wounds. It maintains the balance of water in the body and a constant body temperature. Eating fat more, exciting more and excessive or no physical work exerts undue pressure on the heart. Eating fats more, exciting more and excessive or no physical work exerts undue pressure on the heart. It may lead to heart attack or death. Therefore, eat less fats, be cheerful and do mild and regular exercise or walk to keep your heart fit. तो इस तरह से इस लेसन को कंप्लीट करते हैं। एक्सरसाइज को आप रीडिंग करें और समझने की कोशिश करें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।